Political strategist turned activist Prashant Kishore on Saturday said he would like to remind the government at the center of a famous line by Atal Bihari Vajpayee that nobody becomes great with a petty heart, as he termed Rahul Gandhi's sentencing in the 2019 defamation case as excessive. 2 years in prison seems to be excessive for what is essentially a defamation case, Kishore said, adding, I would like to remind the government at the center of a famous line by Atal Bihari Vajpayee that nobody becomes great with a petty heart. छोटे मन से कोई बड़ा नहीं बन जाता. They, the BJP, are in power today. The onus was on them to have shown a big heart. They should have waited for a few days and allowed it, the aggravated party, to appeal and acted only if no relief was in sight, he said. Notably, Kishore first shot into the limelight with his successful Lok Sabha poll campaign for Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014. He also highlighted that the Congress seemed unprepared to reach out to the masses with the message that it has been wronged. RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav's MP daughter Misa Bharti was questioned by the Enforcement Directorate in Delhi today in the Railways Land for Jobs linked money laundering case, officials said. Ms. Bharti, 46, is a Rajya Sabha MP of the Rashtriya Janata Dal. She went into the federal agency's office in central Delhi around 11 am, following which her statement is understood to have been recorded under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA). Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has asked state-run banks to assess various financial health parameters amid turbulence across the global banking sector. After meeting with chiefs of state-run banks in New Delhi on Saturday, the Finance Ministry said in a statement that lenders have been asked to identify stress points, including concentration risks and adverse exposures. Amid attempts by opposition leaders to rally in support of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi following his disqualification as a member of the Lok Sabha on Friday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday said the BJP has transformed the politics of perception in the country into the politics of performance, adding that the country had been mired in dirty politics for years. The Rajasthan government on Saturday announced a 4% increase in the dearness allowance of the state employees and pensioners. The pensioners and state government employees will now receive a 42% dearness allowance with effect from January 1, 2023. Earlier, 38% DA was being given to them.